In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Uniswap future while talking about UNI cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Uniswap. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Uniswap is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Uniswap succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Uniswap value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Uniswap and its to-date history. What is Uniswap? The undertaking was made by an individual called Hayden Adams, a previous mechanical designer who lost his genuine world work in 2017. Seeing a post made by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin persuaded him to find out about brilliant agreement improvement. After he did as such, Adams later on utilized his recently obtained abilities to make a decentralized trade which he named Uniswap. The trade is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain design as two shrewd agreements, a plant agreement and trade contract. The processing plant savvy contract contains a trade vault, and a technique to send in trade contract for a specific ERC20 token. On account of this, any substantial ERC20 token can be traded on Uniswap by means of their own special trade contract. The market-making instrument works through the XY=K equation. For instance, we should expect that market producers contributed 1000 ERC20 token and 1000 ETH to the pool. The objective of the trade's calculation is to keep up with the size of this 1 million symbolic pool, keep a consistent K worth. Uniswap Value Forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Uniswap Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October -17.28% $5.05. 2022 November -29.67% $4.29. 2022 December -20.20% $4.87. 2023 January -11.75% $5.39. 2023 February -3.16% $5.91. 2023 Blemish plus 0.33% $6.13. 2023 April plus 11.61% $6.81. 2023 May plus 17.64%, $7.18. 2023 June plus 28.69%, $7.86. 2023 July plus 35.54%, $8.28. 2023 August plus 49.29%, $9.12. 2023 September plus 53.00%, $9.34. UNI Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees UNI coming to $15.57 in 2025. What will UNI be worth in 5 years? The cost of UNI in 5 years could lie around $14.29. UNI's Web Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What UNI's Web will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees UNI's Web coming to $38.92 in 2030. What UNI's Web will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees UNI's Web coming to $77.85 in 2040. Will UNI's Web supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, UNI's Web won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could UNI's Web at any point reach $100? Indeed, UNI's Web could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Could UNI's Web at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for UNI's Web to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is UNI's Web worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably dangerous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, UNI's Web merits purchasing. Is UNI's Web a wise venture? UNI's Web is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will UNI's Web be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $3.55. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $38.92 or much higher. For what reason will UNI's Web succeed and get more expensive? UNI's Web has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees UNI's Web ascending to $38.92 in 2030. For what reason will UNI's Web fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the undertaking, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it.